Abuja hospital don't show us their real color, my people. They carry person there. He suffer from accident. My people, these people reject to give this guy, this man, treatment. And according to matter what happen now, the woman will even carry this guy go hospital. You don't even get anything. Like you know they related to this man who just good Samaritan. He carry the guy, put him for a car, drive and go to the hospital. As he reached there, now so he can't tell them, say, okay, this person has been injured, blah, 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 my people. Now so they started, tell them, they go back, say they don't fit treat her because the condition is very critical. And now they wonder, the condition is very critical. Is that not the reason why there's a hospital? I said, go bring a corner side. For now, we don't know waiting happen, how it happen, and so on and so forth. Because join me, make me watch the video.
So when I Parua life, Metama Hospital inda nazo wucewa akan express na Mabushi naga wannan bawa Allah wani ya kade shi ya gudu kuna gani na kawo shi asibiti kuma sun ki su karbe shi nayi magana DPO ya ce yana hanyar shi amma wai sun ce sai a tafi National Hospital. I'm not going to any hospital. This is a government hospital. This is a government. No. You can't. We're not getting live. Gashi. So this is live. You are seeing us make a hospital live. Nigerians, you are watching. Nigerians, you are watching us. Nigerians, you are watching. I'm live on Facebook.
Abuja hospital. Hey! Una don't see una workers, health workers. No, I bring them so that una go see them. People wey I don't even know which English I even want you say. They swear to save people life at all costs. See them. Now them una just watch now. The same patient, they go back because your condition is critical. Doctor, nurse. This will not be the first time when they happen, my people. Matter don't they come my side. Say these people na so they behave. You go just take person, they go tell like they select who, okay, I go treat this person because of this thing, I go treat this other person. No be say they know. See, one thing be say, okay, you go, you no get money for treatment. This one person bring her. They even they ready to pay for the thing. You they complain. The way you go can't do to person when no get money to pay for anything. If you know say you know they ready to do this kind of work, why you go study medicine? Why you be doctor in the first place? You know how many Nigerians, hundreds, thousands of Nigerians don't die because of this rejection, because of this same nonsense. Una they select, okay, this person is rich. Okay, I don't know whether I beg now because of the tip when they get us, and they try to understand. Many people don't die because of this thing. Make una learn to dey responsible. See, Abuja General Hospital, make una take una time. In fact, we even need to sue that hospital safe. We need to sue that hospital. I don't understand. Imagine if that good Samaritan, imagine she know, because first she starts slowly. Before you know, she noticed say these people, they not go do anything concerning this matter. And so she started shout, hey, then people, things are happening. Things are happening. Some of the people where they see for hospital, they don't get any business with medicine. But they just go. Some of them even just study medicine because my parents said they paid for it. First of all, see, medicine, doctor, now beyond going to school, beyond, it has to do with the heart. If you are not patient, if you don't love human beings, you cannot be a doctor. Hey, I don't know. Because first of all, you have to be compassionate. You need to feel for people. You need to you don't understand. Person will not even like children, or person will no imagine person will not like children. Now that one go come dey labor room, they work as doctor. I don't understand how. Una see where we they do plenty mistakes. Many people are in the wrong places. Many people they did the wrong places, not be waiting they love to do, now they do today. And now why that thing not going to affect many people? Nigeria no exist too. I still they talk Nigeria no exist. How Nana even they think how things won't work well, especially hospital section. How it won't work well? Assuming our president was going to the hospitals regularly, at least maybe they for things for not change. But no, now hospitals they do as they like. Why? Because they know say they're on their own. So this matter now. If you like, drag them from today till tomorrow. Nobody go come outside, can't talk anything. Nobody go I beg for that woman first of all, because God bless you, that good Samaritan. Because by now that boy for not die. And make I even tell una something, Abuja hospital. If anything happen to that guy, hey, now we go on una responsible. Yes, we go on una responsible. My people, no be small matter. Nigerians have to go to that hospital. They go protest so that they go attend to that guy. Now if you imagine the heavy, the gravity of this matter. Oh, anyhow. I beg God still bless that good Samaritan, my people, and I hope say we learn from this one too. Although the country where we dey, e reach make person dey fear sometimes, but e good, e don help person, e don save in life. Wetin una gas talk concerning this Abuja hospital? I wan hear am from una mouth, so drop am for that comment section. Meanwhile, una dey get new TV presenter wey go dey this platform, and yes, guess who she be and where she's from? Okay, I go give una the tip of where she's from. Southeast State. Yes, now there she dey. And I beg, I want to know who you think say be the person. Start the drop out for that comment section too, as now they talk about the matter. And don't forget to share this video. Make everybody know wetin dey happen right now for Abuja General Hospital. Very, very important. And click on that bell so that you no go miss anything where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.